budgies, I'm wondering if you could give me some feedback. I mean feedback, you know what I mean. Feedback, back of course, is back. So this is the latest Under the Wing series drawing. It's Hod Education with parakeets, by the way. Cockatiels, canaries, and finches are welcome too. So I drew our beloved late friend here, Blanche. Remember Blanche de Boyd? So I've given her a crown, you see. More light here. And I'll put this up kind of here. So I'm wondering whether I should leave this area blank, a little repose, or make it sky blue, or draw more allegorical sea monsters. So we have Beauty and the Beasts. What do you suggest? Huh? Can I get some input? Nice wings, gorgeous, gorgeous. Prime Minister Malfa, what do you think? And back there, huh? What happened to the top of your head there? Looks like as if you had a hat on it. Were you wearing a Prime Minister's hat? Huh? Principi, any feedback? Dr. Chi, you're the Berkey Working Museum curator. Chief ornithologist and art critic. Can we get any? What do you recommend? Huh? Nothing? Everybody's silent. Oh boy. Okay. Well, I guess they're leaving it up to Step Papa, me. Okay, I'll think about it overnight. Make a decision tomorrow. Hannah Senesh of blessed memory. We've got a holy chicken on the left here. And Blanche de Boyd. All right, to be continued.